Okay, here we go. Here's the swag.
You got the rest, Bellows.
Okay, let's go this over here. Okay.
That's on.
They're not going to come this far back.
This paper fell out of your bag.
There you go.
Oh, this is enough spot. There's no space. Should be good.
Okay, there are going to be some people that march right here.
Okay. Should I go like this?
Yeah, can we?
Yep.
Or is that okay?
Maylin, why do you have a piece of food in your mouth when we're about to play? You remember the C chord thing?
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Oh.
Okay.
Right.
We practiced that like 10 times.
We did.
Did
We
you
did.
really?
We actually did. Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
I mean, you're fine.
Oh.
It's
So we
cool.
can do it?
Yeah, if you want to.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Yes.
It's on the fourth measure of the drum. So after the first three. 1, 2, 3.
On the Alright, you need a sound check? We good?
You got sound?
That's out.
You got sound? Bryson? You got
Now entering the field from Atlanta, Georgia,
Alright,
it's
you
the
good?
Marist School War Eagle Marching Band. The band is under the direction of Aaron Schmidt and Ben Barber. The school principal is Kevin Malala. The superintendent of schools is President J.D. Childs.
Childs.
Band staff for the Marist School include battery David Cohealy, color guard Fallon Harris, and Mark Gallegos and Lane Silva for the pit. Student leadership for Marist School included Emma Schramm, Sam Eckstein, William Blom, Will Bellows, and Valeria Segura. The Marist War Eagle Marching Band present their 2024 show entitled The Music of Led Zeppelin, with musical selections including Over the Hills and Far Away, Stairway to Heaven, Houses of the Holy, and Living Loving Maid. Drum Major James Tong, is your band ready? You may take the field for competition. Keep it going for the Marist War Eagle Marching Band from Marist School in Atlanta, Georgia.
I don't know if there's a school for this. Hey, would you pick that up? Would you pick all that up? Okay.
While we have a moment, want to invite you to head to the information table to buy your raffle tickets to win a Traeger grill and a Yeti cooler. The tickets are $5 each, or $5 for $20. The drawing will be held at the end of the dinner break this evening. If you're interested, that information table is located at the gate closest to the taco booth.